to kind of corral and encourage the partners to create these events. You've already done it with the fashion show. We've already done it with stuff, so it's a natural switch over. We're bringing them together, yes, to get profit, yes, because we got to survive, right? We got to pay our bills. But also, we're creating an environment where I get to see me and you and me, how much we do have in common, and we get to eat. And I know that's so simple, but it's a reason why the phrase break bread together even exists. It's kind of like looking at a person's eye. When you get really, really close and you look at somebody's eye kind of in person, you literally see your reflection. Like you literally see yourself in their eyes.